Welcome to the Gorilla video series. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to edit, add, or delete line items in your screenplay display in Gorilla. With the release of Gorilla Studio 8, you can now edit your screenplay in Gorilla. I will load a schedule and go to the breakdown sheets screen. This schedule was initially imported from Final Draft, and that is why the screenplay is displayed here. To navigate to any scene, select the scene in the Scene Navigator on the right-hand side of the screen. If you want to edit the screenplay, the first thing you need to do is to exit tagging mode, which is on by default. To do this, from the Screenplay pull-down menu, select Tagging Mode, Edit Screenplay. Notice when you do this, the screenplay text changes from colored tags to black, indicating you are in edit mode. You can then select anywhere in the screenplay text area to enter edit mode. Another way to go into edit screenplay mode is to simply click this button down here, Edit Screenplay. You will only see the text for the scene you are editing. If you want to insert a line between two other lines, select the Insert arrow. I will add a new screenplay line here between lines 2 and 3. In this area, you can specify whether you want the line to be an action line or a character line, etc. I will type some text here. You can also copy and paste text if you want from a screenplay program, which I will do. If you do copy and paste text, if you want the text to remain in the standard Courier font, use the Paste Text Only option. When finished typing, click on the Write button. To edit the line, click on it. To finish the scene, close the window, and you will see the new line entered in the screenplay display. I will do this again, but this time I will add a character and some dialogue. After creating a new character in the screenplay, you do need to tag it. So let's do that. There are two ways to tag a word or a phrase, and I will show you both ways. On the left, select the cast members category, or another category if you are tagging a prop or a costume or something else. Add a new entry here with the name of the new character. To see the tagged word in tagging mode, go back to tagging mode. If you want to add a board ID to the new character, select Info on the character and enter an ID. This feature is also helpful if you are creating a new scene in Gorilla and don't want to go back to the screenplay program to create the new scene. Let's create a new scene. Select the New Breakdown Sheet button and enter the basic scene info such as scene number, set, and time of day. Click on the Edit Screenplay button and then click the plus button sign to create your first line, which should be a slug line. I'll create another line underneath the slug line, an action line. And then close the Edit Screenplay window. And let's tag this item here in tagging mode. Next, let's print this scene. Select the Print button. Enter the start and end scene number, and select Print. You can also export this screenplay back into Final Draft. To do that, see that lesson. That wraps up this lesson. Have a great shoot.